Welcome to my sanctuary space. I try to bring nature inside because it's my healing place, and I think it is for most people. But you'll also see my healing instruments, my sound vibration or sound bath instruments, and they're a way to create vibrational wellness or vibrational healing. And as I was doing my breathing exercise this morning, and I do one every morning, some breath empowerment, to keep me in a healthy state and help me move smoothly between parasympathetic, which is rest, digest, and restore. And when I get triggered into fight or flight, I can go quickly back into that ideal state, parasympathetic, by taking some breaths. So my body knows how to transition very, very quickly. I want to talk to you today about something that's really important. Are you aware that all of your thoughts, all of your emotions carry an energetic signature? There's a resonance to them, and it's broadcast very clearly to the people around you and even the animals around you and nature. And so we need to become very aware of what it is we're broadcasting, because we'll attract that like energy back to ourselves. And so we need to be thinking about the people that we're hanging out with, the things that we're watching. Our nutrition creates a certain vibration. In fact, foods and herbs, all of them carry an energy vibration. Some is higher than others. So I wanted to show you a little exercise. Back in the day in college, I was a vocal performance major. Haven't done much with it since, but I guess that training helped me in my hypnotherapy. I'm told I have a fairly pleasant voice to listen to. But I noticed when I was in a practice room, and I used to sing for around 4 hours a day in various choirs and personal practice. So we got a small room, and there was a large grand piano, and they always kept the lid up. And I sang a cappella because I'm not wonderful on the keyboard. And I noticed that when I sang a note, the piano would respond with the same note. And I thought that was really amazing. And then later I learned more about sympathetic resonance. Well, that's a demonstration of sympathetic resonance, so that what we're projecting energetically, even with our vocal cords and our thoughts, is matched in the universe. And so again, we want to be very aware of that. I was practicing this morning my breath empowerment, and I was using my drum with it, and I noticed that as I was vocalizing, the drum was also responding. So I want to show you just a little demonstration of that. So this is an example of sympathetic resonance on a drum rather than a piano. So he. Can you hear that after tone? I'll do it again. He. So that's just a physical demonstration of what's going on energetically all the time. So today, what I'd like you to do with this information is begin becoming aware of what it is you're thinking and what you're projecting to others. And for those of us that are very sensitive to energy, I want you to be thinking about what I'm feeling now. Is that my energy? Are those my thoughts and emotions? Or am I picking up on somebody else's resonance? So those are the things we're going to be exploring more in detail. And on my channel, you can look at so many different things to help you to be healthy with vibrational energy, hypnotherapy, your thoughts, all of it tied together in a pretty eclectic way. I hope that you'll enjoy it, and stay tuned. There's so much more. And remember, it's your life. Live it, love it. I'm Phoenix Alexander. Bye.